Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Letstute. In this session, I'll be discussing about health. Like what is health, what are its significance, the factors that are associated with it. Also, I'll tell you something about disease, like what is disease, how can we identify a disease. But before starting our session, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us. We also have courses in different subjects, so do check them out on our website www.letstute.com. Now let's get started. Health. What do we understand by health? Health is a state of being physically, mentally, and socially fit. We often relate health only with the physical fitness, but it is a lot more than that. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Suppose if you are stressed or some kind of dispute is going on in your family, then you might not be able to perform well. Because you are stressed, the situations are not usual or normal like they used to. Thus, your performance will get affected. So, our health is very much dependent on the personal and social environment, because all the organisms living on this earth are interdependent to each other and to their environment. There are few factors that determine proper health. So let us understand them one by one. Number one is public cleanliness. We all know that we need to throw garbage in the dustbin, as throwing them here and there will pollute the environment, which in turn becomes the breeding ground for mosquitoes, houseflies, and many disease-causing microbes. And we all don't want that. Number two is food. We need energy because we need to work, and energy is obtained from food. We can only buy food if we have money, and money is obtained by working. So all these things are interrelated to each other. Thus, food becomes the second important factor that determine the proper health. Number three is social environment. As far we have discussed, one cannot perform well in a stressful environment. Now let's talk about diseases. Disease in its name suggests dis-ease. It is basically the disturbance in our body. It generally has some symptoms like pain, fever, etc. We often confuse the term being healthy with being disease-free, but there is a difference. Let us understand the difference between the two. Health is a state of being physically, mentally, and socially fit, as far we have discussed, with respect to person's personal and social environment. But being disease-free is only the absence of disease, which is only related to the individual and not at all with the social environment in which the person is living. Now, the question arises, how can we identify a disease? So, as we have discussed earlier, it has symptoms like pain, fever, swelling, etc. Basically, our body has different organs, and all those organs perform specific function. Malfunctioning in any of these will help us identify that something is wrong with our body. Thus, this is how we can identify that there is a disease in our body. But symptoms does not tell us the exact cause of the disease. Our doctor examines us and help us to know that what is the exact cause of the disease. Sometimes laboratory tests are also done to identify the exact cause. So that's it for today. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more such videos from us. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.